Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Varo online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then type in varomoney.com inside the URL box. Once you end up in the official site for Varo, go ahead and click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. Now, go ahead and enter an email address for yourself. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to. On the next field, enter a US mobile number. Create a password for your account on the next field where it says password, and make sure to meet these criteria in your password. After entering all of these boxes, go ahead and click on the Join Today button and follow through the prompts till the end, and you will be able to sign up for Varo online banking account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.